My situation is a little interesting. My eyesight wasn't terribly bad. However, I would wear a contact in one eye for distance and did not wear contacts in the other eye so I could see up close. I cannot stress enough how that affected my equilibrium. Needless to say, it made me awkward, gave me headaches, dizziness, and very ungraceful. So coming to Vision for Life was an obvious choice. My father-in-law had had the procedure. He came out of the surgery and mentioned to my husband, "Son, I can read that billboard all the way over there." Once my father-in-law had the procedure, it wasn't like who was going to do the procedure, it was when. My parents both have had cataracts. My mother mid-60s, my father early 70s, and they had lens replacement surgery. So again, when was I going to do it? Did I want to have quality of life while I was still young, or do I want to wait till I got cataracts? Obviously I chose quality of life. I called Dr. Horn's office and I set up a consultation. And when I met with Dr. Horn, it was very easy because he was just like, "What do you expect?" And I'm like, well, obviously I'm very awkward. I stumble all the time, and I would like to be able to see far away and up close without having to have contacts or readers any longer. And so he was just like, well, custom lens replacement would work for you. You're not a candidate for LASIK. Let's talk about the pros and cons. And obviously the pros were no more glasses, no more contacts. It would take care of all that equilibrium issues that I was having. There was really no cons for me. Dr. Horn reassured me that it was a very safe procedure, and it was. And after the procedure was completed, Dr. Horn came in and we discussed what to expect over the next 2 weeks. And it was very simple. I had no pain. Obviously, I didn't have any anxiety going in nor coming out, and I just followed the procedure directions, and like I said, it was very easy. It's something that I would recommend to anyone.